Here we have this 2019 19-plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 3.2. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb unscratched unmarked Riviera aftermarket alloy wheels in 20-inch. Now they're all wrapped in all-terrain off-road tyres. As you can see, we do have the bonnet scoop on the front with the Raptor style front grille, and also just down there we do have the front nudge bar. Now this vehicle is fitted with the wide arch kit in gloss black. Rear does go against the paintwork on this vehicle. Now I do have side steps on either side, your roof bars on the front and on the rear truckman cab, which also has windows on the side. You get your parking sensors and also your rear reversing camera, your Ranger decals and also WILDTRAK decals on the back. Looking into the back of the rear truckman cab, as you can see, you do get a wide amount of space to put a lot of bits in there. It's also on struts, that rear door. Now stepping back, you can see that this vehicle is free from any major mark dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. If we go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior of this vehicle. As you can see, we do have the half leather and half fabric seats throughout in orange and black with the ISOFIX point pull down armrest, and you'll also get your storage behind the passenger and your driver's seat. Going into the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now both driver and passenger are also heated, and the driver is also electrically adjustable. On the doors you get your electric windows, carbon fibre look trim just there as well. Auto lights just down there with your power folding mirrors. Jumping in, foot on the brake and turn the key, then the vehicle then starts. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limit switch on the right hand side. Now I do have the instrument cluster in front of you, and as you can see it's free from anyone that's on the dashboard, and it's covered just over 31,600 miles. Now you have the screen on the left and on your right hand side, which are customisable to suit your preferences. On the left hand side you can have your entertainment, navigation and phone, and on the right hand side you have all your driving bits of information. Screen just in the centre where you can see /line navigation. We can also have your audio, which is AM, FM, DAB, CD, Bluetooth audio. You have your climate control just there, your 2 heated front seats, your Bluetooth phone connectivity, back to navigation, mobile apps, and in settings you can find all these just here. Now I do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built into this vehicle with your ambient lighting, where you have 7 colours to choose from. Pop car into reverse, you can see you do have your rear parking sensor, your rear reversing camera just there. Looking just down here, dual zone climate control there again, with your 2 heated front seats which work exactly how you expect them to, and your climate control just there. Heated front windscreen, so for those frosty days, click that and within minutes the front windscreen will then be defrosted. 2 12-volt connectivities, 2 USB ports, you can have your traction control just there, downhill ascent assist, 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high and also 4-wheel drive low. 2 nice size cup holders, soft touch leather arms, storage underneath. And there's a look at the passenger's front seat. Again, the half leather and half fabric with your WILDTRAK just stitched in up there. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contact nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.